Travel + Leisure is a $4 billion hospitality firm. I've got folks accessing information from all across the globe, sometimes in not the most secure spaces. The business risks that we see when we're using legacy tools are we can't keep up with the change. We can't keep up with the accesses that are required. We can't keep up with validating things like privilege access. All of these issues come with inherent risk. All it takes is one access that isn't necessary or one access that gets co-opted, and then I'm off to the races trying to figure out why I have a breach. Opti has really changed the game fundamentally in this space because they are looking at it much more holistically than anybody else. It's providing very, very specific access for each individual based on their job requirements that they have at that particular moment. It's almost just-in-time access. And that feeds right into all the concepts we're trying to get to in security with zero trust. One of the things that's most impressive to me about Opti is that they are AI first. It's different than a legacy player who's saying, well, I'll just throw some agents in there, because this actually goes to the heart of the problem, and everything is built around speed, efficiency, and accuracy. One of the other things that I like about Opti's solution is that they allow us to prepare for audits as we're operating. It's just exactly what they need, but I'm also doing it much higher than the industry standard because this product is superseding what's out there. People buy point solutions and they don't integrate appropriately. Opti's already thought about that, and they integrate with everything. So I don't have to worry about how the deployment's gonna go because I know that they've thought about all the integration points to all the tools that I have and tools that I don't have because their list is pretty exhaustive. Opti becomes my identity control plane because it's the only solution that looks at everything across the enterprise. The idea that I can go to one tool and see all of my accesses, the SaaS applications, the different IDPs that are involved. When I have a merger, I'll plug it in, it integrates, it'll solve that problem for me right away. It sees everything as a fabric. It views the entire enterprise. It allows me to look at it on the dashboard, and it makes the decisions easy for me because it's gathered all the information. All my analysts have everything they need to make the determination, and they can make that call and move on to the next problem. It will continue to evaluate the process. It's not just a one and done thing. It's a continuous evaluation and culling or improvement of access requirements across the operation of the entire business. That's a completely different way of looking at the problem. Nobody else is doing that, and it makes economic sense for a whole bunch of reasons. It's almost like I'm saving the company money, and as a side effect, I'm making it more secure.